back to a new vlog. Today we're gonna be taking my baby girl's 10th birthday pictures. We're super excited. She's gonna be in her 2 digits now. Oh my god, how exciting. And she's old and crusty and musty.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. I love her. But anyways, we got her balloons back there. We got her birthday cake. We're currently at Dutch Bros right now. I haven't had Dutch Bros in a long time. I usually go to Coffee Bean. Coffee Bean, me and my husband both get a drink for $11. And here, we literally just got 3 drinks and it's $22. Can somebody explain to me why this?
It's because you got more drinks.
No, even with just me and your dad, I think we usually pay like $16,
$17 around
$16 when it's just me and him getting some. But today the kids got boba and it's $22. In this economy, like spending $22 on drinks is crazy. And to be honest, Coffee Bean tastes so much better than Dutch Bros. But we were just like on this side of town and we just didn't want to drive all the way to Coffee Bean because there's only one freaking Coffee Bean in our town and it's so annoying. But
it's like the corner of the end of Bakersfield.
Yeah, it's like at the end of Bakersfield going to Japan. Anyways, I wanted to film this video, but it's not her birthday yet. Her birthday is in 2 weeks, but I like to take pictures early because I hate doing everything last minute. That was the old me. The new me likes to do everything on time, especially when I have a lot of things to do and I just don't want to forget about it and never take her pictures. So we're taking them 2 weeks early and it's like perfect weather right now because it's not too hot and the sun's not too out today. So cloudy weather is usually the best time to take pictures outside, and I do the pictures all by myself. I'm going to show you guys the camera I use, which is just a G7X Mark II, and that takes all my family photos that I've taken in the past. And yeah, so I got her little cake right here. We got it at Sweet Surrenders because that is her favorite place. Look at her cake. I just need to take off those little animals and then put her little candles. I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff once we get to their destination. We're going to be taking pictures up in the mountains and it's going to look really cool. I wanted it to be super simple. So yeah, let's get out there.
Oh, it smells so good.
Okay, so I'm going to be using my G7X to do the photos right now. The sun is hiding right now currently, but it's still in my eyes. We're trying not to get too much of the sun, but this is why I like doing it on a cloudy day because sometimes the clouds just hide the sun and that's like the perfect time to take the photo. So yeah, I just use my G7X. Really easy. Highly recommended if you're looking for a camera that's just, sorry the kids. If you're looking for a camera that's just like really does everything, highly recommend this one. This was my vlogging camera. I would always vlog with it, and now I switched to the new one, which is the one I'm vlogging on right now, the DJI. But this one was my other favorite one. I love it to this day. It's just so big that I love the new one now. If you have been thinking of buying it, I highly recommend it. I take photos with it. I do my vlogs with it. It just does everything for me, and I've been happy with it. So yeah, let's do these pictures. Okay, so it was 2 weeks later and then I was up prepping for her birthday because her birthday was going to be the next day. So this is technically the night before, and I wanted to have a cute balloon set up for her and give her gifts the next morning because it was her birthday and we're going to head over to Little Tokyo. I made her a basket full of little goodies that she loved. She got a new iPad case, a sticker book for her collection. I got her a new water bottle by the brand HYDROPEAK because I have one and I love it. And I also got her some skincare because she's at that age where she has to take care of her skin. And I found this brand, Everdeen, on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but it's perfect for little girls that are starting off with their skincare. I got her the birthday cake EOS chapstick, and I also got her favorite chocolate. She loves this Lindor chocolates and a Kit Kat birthday cake flavor. And the Miniverse kit because she's obsessed with those things. And that was about it. This is a perfect little gift for her now that she's 10. I cannot believe it. The next day we went over to Little Tokyo because that is what she requested, and that's exactly what we did, and we had so much fun. Here's a little vlog of us. All right, got the tokens, so here you go. I think they're like 2 tokens each. Good luck. I know, you're too far away.
I can try here because it's like that.
Okay, but you're wasting your tokens.
I want to
You have to try to get it.
Go over there. Let's try it right here. Yeah?
Get him, get him, get him. Get him. Oh. These are the ones that just come out. These are better. These are so cool. Oh, do you have a... Is this a peach one? Ooh, these look delicious. I kind of want to try them. I'm gonna buy it. Should we buy the birthday cake one or no? You want it? Yeah, I'm gonna try both of them. They're from China. I want to give it a try.
I hope it's healthy now.
Is it?
Yeah. Literally. Like, most of those snacks are like, they have like real food in them.
Yeah. It's clear, but then it changes to your, like a pretty lip color.
Oh, there's so many makeup stuff anymore.
Oh, look at these clear little boba teas. Hello Kitty. These are so cute. Better than they're better than the fufus. This is how they look.
So adorable.
Gonna open it.
Oh, that's
Wait, first, which one would you like? Like which? They're over here, baby.
Okay, I would probably want that one. That one, or that one.
Okay. Ooh.
What the heck?
Which one is it?
I got Mel Melody.
Oh, you love Melody.
Wait, why do you say it's Mel Melody, not Melody?
What is it? Mel Melody? I thought it was just Melody.
Wait, I thought this is so cute. It's
That one is cute. We got the banana matcha.
Oh, that's not
And-
banana, I think.
This is a Kobo vanilla matcha mochi.
On English. It's
Right.
so soft.
You like it?
Okay, okay. Why is it sweet?
It's sweet.
Yeah.
But is it good?
Yeah.
You like it? Does it have vanilla in it?
Okay, because I belly button.
Yours good? Yeah.
Does it have filling?
For the banana
I like it.
I don't really like the vanilla. The vanilla.
Good.
I like the foot. I like the foot.
So good. 10 out of 10.
I like the
Let
foot.
me try this.
Oh, look at the little guy. Like the massive little guy. We'll put it on there.
It's good. You want to try it?
Did already. It's good.
It tastes like the Mexican pan dulce. Now I'm going to try the matcha mochi on pan. I like this one because it's not too sweet.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that's sweet.
Last few clips are Easter, and of course we celebrated the birthday girl because we do it every year on Easter. It's just easier for us, so enjoy the last clips of this vlog. The king in the heel? Yeah. Venus and Ferb? No? Yo, ma. Aww. 10 more and she's 20. 8 more and she's an adult. Let's just sing happy birthday. You're gonna make me cry over here. Happy birthday